Did you know Subway Surfers hides a creepy secret ending? Most people believe the game is endless, but that's not the whole truth. Some players say there's a point where the tracks stop loading completely. But before I reveal it, make sure to like and subscribe right now, or the inspector will chase you tonight. Rumors say if you keep playing non-stop for 50 years, the game begins to glitch. The trains vanish, the tracks float in the sky, and the music turns distorted. A few hackers managed to reach this stage using cheats, and what they found was terrifying. A giant shadowy figure appears staring at your character.